I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance from an old Movistar SIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your balance. Before transferring, ensure you know the balance on your old SIM. You can usually do this by dialing a specific code or checking your account online. Step 2. Insert the old SIM. Take your old SIM card and insert it into your phone. This is necessary to initiate the transfer process. Step 3. Dial the transfer code. Once your old SIM is active, dial the balance transfer code provided by Movistar. This code may vary by region, so check Movistar's website for the correct one. Step 4. Enter the recipient's number. After dialing the transfer code, you will be prompted to enter the phone number of the recipient. Make sure to double-check the number to avoid sending your balance to the wrong person. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Finally, follow the prompts to confirm the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message once the balance has been successfully transferred. If you encounter any issues, like an error message during the transfer, make sure your old SIM has enough balance to cover the transfer fee. Good luck with your balance transfer.